Welcome back to my channel. I have some beautiful DecoArt colors for you today. This one is Americana Titanium White. Then we have these from the Premium series, and I'm putting them in the order that I will put them in the cup. This is Copper, beautiful metallic color. This is Burnt Umber. Then we have Phthalo Turquoise. We have Prussian Blue Hue. Probably Prussian Blue Hue will go before the Phthalo Turquoise. I think it's darker. And we have Primary Cyan. I don't have too much left in here, so I brought also the Cobalt Blue Hue. And then I have Bahama Blue. This is Americana. So I added the pouring mix until I got the consistency that I wanted. And by the time I finished mixing all these colors, the first colors started to, they dry. So that happens when you have a lot of colors. By the time you finish doing all the colors, then the first ones might not be good. These ones are good. So check them all before you put the next thing, and you're gonna put 3 drops of these, of the Treadmill, 3, and you're gonna mix 3 times. Okay, so I'm gonna use a 7 ounces cup, and I'm gonna fast forward the video. So we're gonna do a flick cup. Let me see if I am completely out. Okay, we're gonna do a flick cup, and we're gonna be very careful because the other day my cup ran from my surface because it was too oily. So I have to be careful today. I'm gonna be holding it all the time. Okay, so we are going to let this go down a tiny bit. Okay, so you can always also open it. I'm gonna try to open it. I was not successful the last time I tried to do that because those cups are very hard. Okay, it's open. You see how it's running from there? Wow, that's neat. Neat. So I'm gonna torch it right away. Right, that's it. You, but it's gonna be running away from me, and it's already running away from my surface, so I have to find some gloves, even if I take some new ones right away. Okay, so let's move it. It is so full of cells. Whoops, but it's running away. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Losing all those beautiful cells. One more. I'm gonna take it from the floor because I don't want to lose any more. Bring more cells. I'm gonna take it from the floor. Beautiful drippings from the floor. And of course, we are going to torch these again. Try to pick some color from the floor in here. Move it that way. When you move it, then it starts integrating. I'm gonna make those cells bigger. I can move a tiny bit and eliminate that ugly corner that we created, and then make those cells that we have already bigger. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like this. This time I'm not gonna torch it. I think I'm not gonna torch it. I am in love with this piece. It's so gorgeous. I hope you can see it has copper in here, and it has some wonderful cells. It's so pretty. It has very dark colors, and it has medium colors and light colors. It's so pretty, so much depth. It has so much depth. Let me see if I can show it to you without the reflection. And it is, people ask me about my pieces if they're varnished. They are not varnished. It's the medium that I'm using that has gloss, plus the paints that I'm using are also have gloss. They dry with some luster. The DecoArt Americana premium paints. So it is very shiny because of the products that I'm using. And it is wonderful. These paints are wonderful for this type of painting. And let me show you the sides. Let me show you the sides. They are beautiful. For those of you that likes blue, blue is a wonderful color. I love all the colors. I don't have My favorite is purple, but I love all the colors, and this is just gorgeous. See, those have sales, small sales, large sales, sales of all sizes. Even these areas, it has some different colors inside the dark area that you can see it. When you see it closer, you can see that it has some color inside those dark areas. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please share it so that others can watch it, and please come back for more. Look at the sales on the sides. Come back for more. Have a wonderful Happy New Year.